guys, we are back and we're here in China, Shanghai, China Toy Fair 2025. Special host Neil is here. And what's your name, please?
Mark. Zhao.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, so what's the name of the company?
Jinan iDoon. Yeah.
Animation technology company.
Yes.
Okay, beautiful. What's the year company was founded?
2010.
Okay, what's your main product? What's your top product in here?
Speedgo, a motorcycle toy.
Okay, motorcycle toy.
Yeah.
So guys, I also want to mention that the company covers around 70,000 square meters of production facilities with over 1,000 employees. And here we're going to talk about this circuit, okay, motorcycle circuit. It's pretty crazy over here, a bit loud, but it's so much fun here. So let's have a try, please. Come join us. So how it's going to work? Can you show us, please? Yeah, let's demonstrate. This is the main thing about that. Okay, here we go. Good. I also want to mention, guys, that the company's main markets include 41 countries and regions, including Japan, Korea, Germany, and the US.
Yeah.
Good. What else you can mention about your products? So we see it here. So there are different sizes, colors. So how's it working?
Yeah, we have 3 different colors.
Yeah.
And one color means one side.
Yeah. Okay.
This one is about the theme is about the flame.
Yeah. Generation 9 of their motorcycle circus. They have 3 different landscapes. Okay, so they got the fire, volcano here, water side, and the yellow one is what?
Yellow gold.
Gold mines. Okay, cool. Good luck to you guys. Yeah. As you can see, there are different sizes in there, right? It really depends. It takes some time to assemble. How much time you need to assemble this circuit?
About half an hour.
Okay, just 30 minutes, guys, and you're ready to go.
Yeah.
How many motorcycles we have in one set?
Two motorcycles.
2 motorcycles.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. How about MOQ? If people abroad, the companies want to order your products, what the MOQ?
5,000 pieces.
5,000 pieces. Okay, guys, this is pretty cool. So, guys, go big, okay? And we're gonna share the contact details of this company, and you can stay in touch with them directly. That's pretty cool, guys. So the company has also all the certificates and the license that can provide and ensure that the products are legal and comply with all the recent laws on that market in the particular country or region. So that's pretty important, guys. And what about the age the kids can play these toys?
From 5 years old to 12.
Okay, from 5 to 12, guys. That's pretty cool. So you can assemble with your parents. Stay confident, have fun, play when you're done your homework, and it's pretty cool, guys, and it's really great. So stay tuned with us, and we're gonna give you much more. We're gonna move to our next top product. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.